Nigeria and the Navy generally as well. Because I'm not with the man, I'm an ego to the Navy.
Hi, my Igbo technonos. You guys are so sweet. Like, I was happy when I saw that you guys were enjoying that video. And at first, I didn't want to post it. But I'm like, every time I just come here to teach Igbo language, looking all serious, maybe I should just bring a video that kind of motivates you guys. It's so funny when I saw in the comment section, most people saying this video is AI. It's not AI. Somebody can be a Yoruba and the person is speaking Igbo, depending on the relationship of Igbo thing that they have in the house. It might be their mother or their father or even their uncle, or even someone who just likes a particular tribe can decide to learn the language. I just put out that video to kind of motivate my viewers, my subscribers, my very ones who are very motivating in coming into the roots from where they are from, roots in learning this language. Am I going to say it's easy? I won't categorically say it's easy, but is it doable? 100% you can do it. And I'm loving the attraction, I'm loving the share, I'm loving the comments on that video, and I'll definitely reply each and every one of the comments. Okay, and for those of you saying it's AI, please, this video is not AI. When you see AI video, you should know. And I was loving the comment in that video that says, how can you think this is AI? Don't you see BBC Igbo there? I'm like, thank you for saving me out from this particular thing. And then today I'm going to post another video again to kind of motivate you guys again.
And my learned husband. If you are so much, I like him, all the very pushful. It's moving. Accompanied by our able chairman and my honorable husband as well. To be here today amongst this thing. Okay, that is, I was over the moon in London. Not too much because I'm the security go a big issue in Nigeria and the Navy generally as well. Because I'm no with the man, I'm an ego to the Navy. I can tell you, a few years ago, my mother-in-law then thank God for na gozia afunu romia nanya na foto kan na afia na afifa na ede na video mana chideke ga amanyele amanyekwala unu abonde na cheda anyi enugo. It is well no belifa anyi melu chukwu na ga agba unu ume and oge debe unu nyekwa unu strength and energy iji we carry on. Anyi wa no nwa anyi otu aka lulu anyi I ga na eme otu aka lulu nwa anyi ka otokwasiri di eme. So I never go to Canada. That's the one. I go willing to go back there. So who don't you know Chani? May God bless us and move you forward. Amen. If any na ina plan na ganiru. Kamadi alabanu numbo ulu and umoro kuno yuno gawa. Honesty is the best for life. Yes. Honesty is the progress. If barana kayoto. Protect you. May God bless you all. Amen.
I'm happy you you guys are done watching the video, what do you think? Do you see what I'm saying? Back to the same thing I'm saying. Can you do it? Yes. Is it doable? Yes. Is it achievable? Yes. If somebody tells me I can learn a language at this my age and be 70% good at it, I won't believe it. Okay, in 5 years I'll be able to be very, not fluent, but of course I can communicate in the midst of people that are speaking that language. And if I can, you could. I told you, go to my video, save my, I have a lot of videos on this channel, just like YouTube are not giving me the attraction, the share that I need for my hard work. I have a lot of video on this channel that can equip you to start speaking Igbo right away. Save my videos on your watch letter on YouTube so that it's not difficult to go and type my name, or just I categorized my video phrases, different things, and I plan even to bring vlogs that is just on Igbo, just freestyle, okay? No one will freestyle in Igbo. Sometimes we'll put English, things and there. Just gonna be a freestyle video as well. And put it in the comment section if you love this kind of motivational videos coming up from time to time to just show you guys that it is possible to speak Igbo language. It is possible to speak your dialect, be it Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, or whatever tribe you are. Just once you put your head down and say, yes, I must do it. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.